beat the Bone Lab campaign, and I guess I had a lot of ammo, so, but this is the last capsule. Okay, let's open it. Skeleton! That was the last capsule. Yeah. I had to open, like, look at how much I used. I got plenty more. I don't even know how. Yeah, it's empty. That's crazy. I got all of them, dude. I did not waste a single ammo in the campaign, I guess. Yeah, I'll make another video soon, guys, so just wait and be patient. Probably not be Bone Lab, and it'll be a full-size video, not just short. Alright, see you guys later.